Okay, we're onto the muscular system. Cycle 2, interactions, muscular. The muscular system works with the skeletal system to allow for movement. Our muscles are made of cells, which are called fibers. Every human body has 650 muscles and 187 joints that connect each muscle. The main functions of the muscular system are the following: movement, temperature, and posture. So fibers in our muscles contract and relax to allow for movement. Muscles contract, and that equals releasing heat, which helps the body maintain homeostasis. So remember, homeostasis is a balance within all of the systems. If the temperature is out of whack, then there's not going to be homeostasis within the body. There's not going to be balance if parts of the body are too hot and parts are too cold. And posture, our muscles help us have posture. So we stand up straight even though gravity is acting on us. Gravity is acting to pull us down, but it can't pull us down because of our muscular system. There's a couple types of muscles. The first type are skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are muscles that are attached to your skeleton. These are considered voluntary muscles because you choose to move them. So something that is voluntary is something that you choose to do. Here are the three different kinds of muscles that you're going to learn about, and the first kind, which is in the middle, is the skeletal muscle. So you can see the skeletal muscle. The picture here shows your big arm muscle. When you move your arm up and down, or you squeeze your palm, you squeeze it into a fist, you can feel that arm muscle moving up and down, contracting, relaxing. Second kind of muscles are smooth muscles. These muscles are found inside some of your organs, like the intestines and the stomach. These muscles are considered involuntary, and they're involuntary because they move automatically. You cannot control their movement like you can control your arm movement. The third kind, and that should say 3, not 1, are cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are your heart muscles. These are also involuntary muscles because you cannot control your heart muscles. Your heart pumps and beats and moves blood throughout it without you doing anything. It does it on its own. All right, so how muscles change. So infant muscles can't do very much. They can't even lift their heads when they're born. Of course, they strengthen over time. Exercise helps keep your muscles healthy. Muscles get bigger when you exercise because cells are reproducing. That's why your muscles get bigger, because there are more cells. And your muscles might hurt after exercise because of a chemical called lactic acid, or because you overstretch them. And if you overstretch them, that means there's an excess amount of lactic acid. There's too much of this acid, which makes them feel overstretched and painful. A lack of oxygen in the muscles equals an accumulation of lactic acid, which equals very tired muscles or muscle fatigue.